Welcome back to Tech Train. Please like, share, follow Tech Train on all social media platforms. Let's get right into it. Before we were talking about combining words and letters in the previous videos, and we talked about the sequence of combining letters. We used John 1 as an example, and we showed how the fill function just randomly continues adding John 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think the difference. This one is copy. This one is fill. This one is copy. So if you use the fill function John 1 and you fill it, but if you copy it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and keep pasting, you can see it's only John 1 that is showing. But once you use the fill function, Ctrl C, you see these lines here. It means the lines have been, the cell has been copied. And you can paste it anywhere, and you can see the cell is empty. But once you hold Ctrl C this, it will Ctrl V, it will be pasted everywhere, and thereby. So let's undo all this and focus mainly on this. So we are showing how the fill function uses create sequences by combining words and letters together, and that's basically it. You can use use 1 from here. Use 3, and once you fill it, it will notice a pattern and create a sequence based on that pattern, odd numbers and thereby. So now we'll be going into formulas with fills. So let us type this out first, and then we'll play around and see. But let's go back to our data set. Let's go back to our data set and type this. So let's delete this, expand this. So we want to calculate the total of everything here from 100 plus 2 plus 16. So let's use that. Remember, you use your equals to button. Equals to is important, very, very important. Without it, your formula will not run. I emphasize on it. A1 plus B1 plus C1, and that will give us 118. The fill function now, what it does is it will notice the pattern. It will notice the formula and create a sequence based on the pattern it can recognize. Okay, look at this. In our formula here, it shows A2 plus B2 plus C2. Here it shows A3 plus B3 plus B3. Now I want to add this in rows 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you are typing it manually, we'll have to write it A1 plus B1 plus C1, and do it for all the other cells. For row 2, row 3, row 4, we'll do it the same way, which can be time taxing, time consuming, and nobody wants to go through all that stress. So you use the fill function. The fill function will use that same pattern in all the other cells. So here it adds A5, B5, C5, and it keeps going. That way you can duplicate formulas without having to calculate them. There are other things you can do with it, like let's say you want to multiply equals to, remember, equals to A1 plus B1, times, we are multiplying times B1 plus C1, which will give us 216. Fill it for all, and it will multiply for all the other cells. That way you don't have to go through the stress of manually inputting the formulas on each cell. You can use the sequence, the pattern, the formula on each cell using the fill function. There's another way to add. The fill function continued the calculation that we used for, and was able to understand that we wanted to count the cells in the next row as well. Now we want to use the total score for all the cells. There are two ways to calculate the total scores. This is the score it's talking about. Okay, let's use this data. Let's use this data set. Let's use the data set. Expand this. We want to find the total for all their scores. That is for maths, English, and physics. The total score. So equals to A2 plus B2 plus C2. Are you noticing this error? Value. We started from A2, but A2 is not a value. A2 is a name. It's not a number. So it gives us this error. So to correct this, we come here and write B2. So 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1, or we put it in front. And show it. So we want to calculate the total score for all this. Two ways to calculate the total score for this. The first way is by adding the cells, which is this method. We'll go from E plus 3 plus 4, so we just go from E2 equals to E2 plus E3 plus E3 plus E4 plus E5, which will give us 49. This is the first way. In the next video, I'll show you the second way to add the function. NS out.